close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get bigger lips and make them look super pretty and nice. So I'm going to start off by removing the excess foundations because it's better to just start with a smooth canvas. So I'm just taking a normal tissue and tissue wipe and pretty much just running that all over my lips and removing anything that I do not want. And after that I'm going to be taking this lip liner and I'm going to start by applying it from the outer part to the center of my lips. And then I'm just repeating this step in the other side of my lips, and I'm taking this bright color, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and take a darker lip liner and I'm going to apply that in the center of my lips. So make sure you guys kind of like go over your lips like really smooth. And then I'm taking this one and I'm just going to focus that in the center of my lips.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls.
Okay, so now that I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and take this lipstick, and this one is darker, and I'm gonna apply that in the outer part of my lips. And yeah, so there you guys see me pretty much applying it from the outer parts to the center.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now for the other step is to apply this lighter lipstick, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right in the center of my lips, and this is going to create a nice effect and is gonna make our lips a lot plumper and look a lot more prettier. So make sure you guys choose the right colors to apply in the center. You guys can also use a lip gloss and it will do the same effect. It will make your lips look a lot more fuller and plump.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, so now for the final step is to apply some concealer, and I'm just taking this bright concealer. I don't know why I chose that color, but I just did, and I took that from this palette. It's a generic palette of concealers, and I just went ahead and cleaned the edges, so I made sure all the lines were nice and smooth and super pretty. And I just blended that with my fingers because it was a little bit harder to blend that concealer since it was so bright. But do not make that mistake. Make sure you guys choose the right color of concealer to erase the mistakes that we did, if we did any.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of bronzer right in the bottom of my lips, only a little bit, and make sure you guys choose the right color of bronzer. This was a little bit orange for me, but it still came out super pretty. So that is the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Bye bye.